All right, so we have the schemas of the website having references to the parent user and the schema of the user having references back to the website. So it's a two-way reference between these parent and children. Make sense? Right? Notice that I've chosen as the name of the parent reference. I've used developer. The name that you choose it'll be dependent on what the team decides on what your naming convention is. It's common that if the role of this particular reference is as a foreign key, because this certainly is a foreign key, right? Referencing some other parent, is to put an underscore in front of it. It's a very common naming convention, right? Meaning that this is not necessarily an attribute of the website, right? It's just a reference to some other collection, right? It's not a native attribute of the website. I'm not gonna do that. Yep.
We only have one user schema, like we have different users, developer or admin or tester.
Yep.
We put them in one schema.
Yeah, one schema, and we could choose to perhaps have a role for these, right? But in the next assignment, you are asked to create a role for the user. We'll talk about that a little later, but you can certainly provide here a set of roles that the user could be in, right? Or in this case, just a single role, and the role could be represented as a string, right? And it could have several valid values that this role could have. This could be an admin. This could be a student. This could be a faculty, right? And so a user might be in different roles at different time, right? Maybe you could have a current role, right? And actually, no, that is a current role. Sorry. So this is the role that you're in, right? What I was going to say is that you could perhaps have multiple roles, right? So this could be an array of roles, right? You could, and at any one time you'd be in one of those roles, but you couldn't be in multiple roles at the same time. Yes. So yeah, we're going to take a look at roles a little later next week. This has to do with security. What could you do if you are an admin? What could you do if you're a student or faculty? And the project, I believe it asks you that you have to implement a couple of roles. Yes? All right, so we'll do that tomorrow, Wednesday.